Hello, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a pack-out tour. This is the pack-out of my 75-liter Molly backpack. The backpack itself is about 5 pounds. Yes, I am carrying an extra day pack. The current trip I'm going on kind of requires that I have a day pack as well as my regular backpack. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. To start off, we've got the fire starting kit. I've got a lighter in there just for good measure, but I have flint and steel, fat wood, and birch bark. My med kit has pretty much everything that you could conceive a med kit would need. I've got tourniquets, I've got gauze, I've got medical tape, I have this soft stuff in case I sprain an ankle. I've got scissors, tweezers, nail clippers, super glue, iodine, alcohol patches, and just a whole slew of other things. For my cooking setup, I've got this really lovely titanium stove, or titanium pot with this really lovely titanium stove right here. I've also got a titanium spoon right here, so definitely going to be eating the works. I've got a little bit of duct tape, a pillow, my knife, which has a sharpener inside of it, as you can see right there. I've got my headlamp, which is pretty cool, and then I also have a bug net. I've got a compass, a trowel with some toilet paper just in case I need it. I have a hatchet and a morative, a folding saw, my walking sticks. This is the start of my sleep setup. I've got the tarp with the guy lines and the stakes, and then I have extra rope just in case I need it. I also have some packed clothes in there over onto my water system. I've got a Sawyer squeeze attached to a 1.5 liter bottle and a 3 liter bladder with a little mouthpiece in there. Next up, I've got my food just in a grocery bag right now. It's just a bunch of dehydrated meal packs and things like that, nothing special. Inside that green bag right there, I have a hammock and a underquilt. The quilt can be a blanket, a sleeping bag, or a underquilt. So the versatility of it is really good. I have a sleeping pad in case I need it. The thing's really light, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not really worried about the weight. With all of this pack out, I have only 40 pounds in my backpack. And let's talk about the backpack. So first of all, got this really cool patch that my dad made for me. Really happy with how it turned out. I like the little swoosh designs on there. I think those are really cool. I have 2 pouches outside. One of them fits my fire starting kit, my tinderbox, and then the other one fits my med kit. The backpack itself is 75 liters. I've got plenty of storage in here, plenty of storage in this top pocket right here, and plenty of storage in this bottom top pocket. I also have a head that carries my my extra day pack right here. So let's do a pack out. I'm going to start with the big stuff. We're going to start with the we're going to start with the underquilt / sleeping pad. I'm then going to stuff my tarp to the right there, and the rope and everything can go in the bottom. And I can fit my clothes down there as well. Everything is in waterproof bags, so I don't need to worry about stuff getting wet that is I can't talk. Susceptible to getting wet. Next, we can go ahead and put our bladder in. Just fits right nice down there. Slide it down as low as we can get it. And then there's this little, I gotta find it first. There it is. Little hole for it to come out of. Alright, now we can pack our food in there. I'm gonna put my snacks in the, I'm gonna put my snacks in the day pack. And then the food can go in the main compartment. I actually want to put the food near the bottom. Have the rest of it up on top here. Okay. Now we can zip this up. Now we can stuff this bottom pocket right here. I'm going to put the trowel and the toilet paper in there, along with my raincoat. The pillow can go in the top pocket. I think that's everything that I'm going to put in the bottom pocket. Pocket can be stuffed with the bug net, the what is this? The pillow, my knife and duct tape, my titanium spoon. Got some carrying cases for the stove. Pop that lid off, put the fuel in there, put the stove in there. It kind of smells like fish, which is a little weird, but I think that's just the oil. We can put it in its bag. Alright, and that can go in there. Super lightweight setup. The compass, and then the headlamp. Alright, I believe that is everything. Next, let's pack up the black pouches. I'm just gonna close up my tinder box here. And it fits really snug in there. It's like a perfect fit. I can zip up my med kit. Put that in there. I actually realized I need to put the trowel in this plastic bag because it's going to get dirty. Also got some Tums in there. Okay, now it's time to fill up the head. I'm just gonna stranger. Just gonna roll it up. And put her in there. Now we can put the pad on. Now we can fill the side pouches. I've got these really deep side pouches. First I'm going to take a little bit of a, check it, like which way it's weighted. It seems like I have it pretty balanced. So we're going to put the hatchet on one side. Put the sticks and the saw on the other side. And we can put the more nib on one side. And I normally don't fill this with water. I usually leave it empty because the backpack will become unbalanced if I don't leave it empty. That just shoves right in there. And then, let me show you how I put it on. I just grab one of the straps, sling it over my shoulder. And we can just strap everything up. Tighten everything down. And boom. I can do squats in this all day. 40 pounds is not a lot of weight. It's a really comfortable backpack. I think it's worth the 5 pounds. There is a metal frame in there. I believe it's made out of aircraft grade aluminum. My breathing isn't really restricted or anything. The waist strap is in a really convenient location, plus there's pockets that I can put snacks in. Unfortunately, the pockets don't fit my phone, so that's probably going to be something where, like, I put my earbuds in here. I'll probably wear like a fanny pack or something so I can't carry my phone with me. But yeah, I'm really excited for this trip. Thanks for stopping by and have a good one.